To create a choice field, go to Fields and click Add Field. For a single choice field, where only one option can be selected, set the type to Choice, select one. Give it a label, for instance, Language, and then add options you want your contacts to choose from. I'll go with 3 languages, English, Spanish, or French. You can also change the merge tag format and set a default value. For a multiple choice field, where several options can be chosen, follow the same steps, but select Choice, select Many. I'll create a Preferences field where contacts pick the types of content they're interested in. Add your choices and save the field. I'll add news, guides, and podcasts. Once you've got choice fields on your list, you can populate them for your contacts. To add them to a single contact, edit the contacts page and select their choices. If you want to do this in bulk, you can use Actions to update the choices for selected contacts. To populate choice fields through import, you'd need to have a column with your contacts' choices in the file. Those choices must match the ones you set up on your list exactly, otherwise they won't be imported. Don't forget to map the column in your file to the correct choice field on the list. If you want to update a multiple choice field and add more than one choice to a contact, separate them by commas. You can also add choice fields to a subscriber profile page so that your contacts can update them themselves. To do so, go to the Consent and Customization tab on the Contacts page and choose Subscriber Profile Page. Click on the Forms section and add the choice fields. They'll be shown in the left side panel. Click on the field inside the form to customize it. It can either be shown as a list or a drop-down. You can also make the field required or edit its label and type a placeholder value for the drop-down. You can later use a subscriber profile merge tag to link it in your emails. This will allow your contacts to update their choices. Remember to click Save before you exit. Choice fields can also be added to forms so that your subscribers can select them when they sign up. To add them, go to your form and click on the Form section. You'll see the choice fields in the left side panel. Click on the added field to customize it. It can be shown as a list or a drop-down. You can also hide the field and assign a specific value once someone completes the form, or make it required.